Hello friends, this video on electric charges and fields part 28 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 27 before going ahead with part 28. So let us look at problem 1. It states that a system has two charges QA and QB located at points A and B respectively. So let us plot these 2 points on the graph. So it says that there is a point A at 0, 0, minus 15. So x is 0. So let us plot this as x-axis. Let us say this is my z-axis. And let us say this is my y-axis. And this is the origin. So the first charge, that is QA, is located at 0, 0, minus 15. So let us say this point is minus 15. So this is my point A with coordinates 0, 0, minus 15. The other charge QB is located at the point B, which is somewhere here. This is point B with coordinates 0, 0, plus 15. Right? So we have to calculate the total charge and the electric dipole moment of the system. So if you look at it, AB forms a dipole. They are two charges which are equal in magnitude but opposite in nature. That is, one is positive and the other one is negative, separated by a small distance. So we have to calculate the total charge of the system. So in this case, the system forms a dipole. So we need to calculate the total charge of the system and the dipole moment. So we have to calculate Q and also P. So if you look at it, what would be the total charge of the system? Total charge would be nothing but sum of the two charges QA and QB. Since the charges are equal and opposite in magnitude, so the total charge will be equal to 0. Right? Now let us talk about the dipole moment of the system. Dipole moment, as per definition, is product of either charge and the distance between them, the perpendicular distance between them. So what is the distance between point A and point B here? So this D is nothing but AB in this case. So what is the value of AB? It is nothing but OA plus OB. So here we are considering only the magnitude. So this comes out to be 30 centimeters, which can be written as 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Therefore, the dipole moment is equal to Q is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 into the perpendicular distance between them, that is 30 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this value comes out to be 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. So this is the value of the dipole moment. So this is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb meter. Now let us look at the next problem. It says an electric dipole consists of two charges of 0.1 microcoulomb separated by a distance of 2 centimeters. The dipole is placed in an external electric field of 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. What maximum torque does the field exert on the dipole? So this is your uniform electric field. Let us suppose this is the dipole which is situated here. So what is the maximum torque that the field will exert on the dipole? So what is the torque that the field will exert anyways on the dipole? That is given by PE sine theta, where theta is the angle that at which the dipole is oriented with the electric field. So now for maximum torque, sine theta should be 1. So torque maximum should be equal to PE, that is dipole moment multiplied by the electric field. The value of electric field is already given in the question. So you have to calculate the dipole moment. So dipole moment you can write it as product of the charge and the distance between them. So Q into D into E. So this Q is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is the distance between the two charges in the dipole? It is 2 centimeters. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. And the electric field is 10 to the power 5. So this value comes out to be 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meters. So this is the maximum torque that the dipole will experience in this uniform electric field. So let us look at one more problem. This problem states that an electric dipole is placed at an angle of 60 degree with an electric field of intensity 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. So theta here is given as 60 degree. The electric field intensity E is given as 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. It experiences a torque equal to 8 root 3 Newton meter. So the torque experienced is equal to 8 root 3 Newton meter. So we need to calculate the charge on the dipole if the dipole length is 2 centimeters. Dipole length is nothing but the distance between the two charges, which we generally denote by 2a. That is equal to 2 centimeter. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So we have to calculate the charge on the dipole. So we know that the torque experienced by a dipole in electric field is nothing but Pe sine theta. Now in this, what is the dipole moment P? It is nothing but Q into the distance between the two charges, that is 2a. Now this into E sine theta. So from this we can say Q into 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into E is 10 to the power 5 into sine theta, that is sine 60 degree. This is equal to the torque, that is 8 root 3. So from this we can calculate the value of Q, which comes out to be 8 root 3 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 5 into sine 60, that sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So this root 3 will cancel, 2 and 2 will cancel. So this comes out to be 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulombs. So this is the value of the charge on the dipole. So this is how you basically approach to solve different problems related to electric dipole. So now that we have covered electric dipole, it is time to switch to the next topic. And the next we are going to study about is electric. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.